The National Environmental Agency. Document is approved by the National Environmental Agency. Development Plan of the Hydrometeorological Department. Current conditions and necessary arrangements. Hydrometeorological Department, Tbilisi, 2014. Current presentation mainly shows the observational system as it is considered to be a comparatively weak field in the Hydrometeorological Department of NEA. The observation has been conducted in several directions, such as meteorological, hydrological, agrometeorological, water balance, radiolocation, snow slip, ozonometrical, and actinometric observations. On this slide, you can see the comparison of current and ideal conditions of Hydrometeorological Department. The chart presents main activities of the department. Blue column shows the current conditions and the green ones show the standards to be reached. On the top of the columns are written the amount of units and percentage. The red column presents the overall current picture. Meteorological Station. Meteorological observation has been conducted at 20 stations, 11 mixed, automatic, manual, 4 manual and 5 automatic. 8 automatic meteorological stations will be installed before the end of this year, which were purchased under the Climate Adaptation Fund and the Czech Republic Development Cooperation projects. Overall, 27 meteorological stations will be used before the end of the year, 12 mixed, both automatic and manual, 3 manual, 12 automatic. Necessary arrangements to increase the amount of the meteorological stations to 100. Need to purchase automatic meteorological station, temperature, humidity sensor, pressure sensor, precipitation sensor, wind sensor, snow depth measuring sensor. Snow depth measuring sensor. Software to gather and display the information. Unit price in euros, 22,950 euros. Sum total investment, 1,744,200 euros. Meteorological post. Meteorological observation has been conducted at 38 meteorological posts, 13 automatic, 10 mixed, both automatic and manual, 15 manual. 23 automatic meteorological posts will be installed before the end of this year, which were purchased under the Climate Adaptation Fund and the Czech Republic Development Cooperation project. Overall, 60 meteorological posts will be used before the end of this year, 34 automatic, 11 mixed, both manual and automatic, and 15 manual. Necessary arrangements to increase the amount of the meteorological posts to 300. Need to purchase automatic meteorological post, temperature, humidity sensor, precipitation sensor. Unit price in euros, 11,800 euros. Sum total investment, 3,009,000 euros. On the picture you can see the hydrological station, meteorological post and meteorological station. Hydrological post. Hydrological observation has been conducting at 35 hydrological posts, 16 automatic, 5 mixed, both automatic and manual, and 14 manual. 10 automatic hydrological posts will be installed before the end of this year, which were purchased under the project of the Climate Adaptation Fund. Overall, 43 hydrological posts will be used before the end of this year. 24 automatic, 12 manual, 7 mixed, both manual and automatic. Necessary arrangements to increase the amount of the hydrological posts to 150. To increase staff members to 3. Need to purchase automatic hydrological post with water level measurement sensor. Unit price in euros, 9,525 euros. Sum total investment, 1,133,475 euros. Agrometeorological station. Agrometeorological observation includes a meteorological, soil temperature, humidity, and phenology observations. Observation has been conducted at 4 points. Necessary arrangements to increase the amount of the agrometeorological stations to 30. It is recommended to add the soil temperature and humidity sensors to the meteorological stations. To increase staff members to 30. Need to purchase soil temperature sensor. Unit price in euros, 920. Soil humidity sensor. Unit price in euros 970. Sum total investment 58,006 euros. Radiolocation station. Radiolocation including locator, receiver and visualization systems. Currently, the agency does not own a radar system. Necessary arrangements. 2 units of required equipment to increase staff members to 3. Need to purchase double polarized Doppler type C-band meteorological radar, 22-meter radar mast, dome, testing equipment, spare parts for 5 years, service agreement for 3 years, radar computers, providing software and its installation. Unit price in euros 1,430,445 euros. Trainings. Unit price in euros 45,560 euros. Installation price. It does not cover the cost of the excess road infrastructure and does not insure the sources of electricity. Unit price in euros 315,995. Sum total investment 4,229,120 euros. Aerological station. Aerological station is not functioning on the territory of Georgia. Aerological station includes software and hardware, remote sensing, receiving system, office for the personnel, satellite. Necessary arrangements. 2 units of required equipment. To construct the office for the hydrogenous generator and the balloons. To increase staff members to 10. Need to purchase. Remote sensing MW41 single expense. Unit price in euros 73,914. Sound and meteorological balloon 750 unit. Annual expense. Unit price in euros 132,750. Staff training 2 days. Unit price in euros 3,820. Hydrogenous generator single expense. Unit price in euros 45,000 euros. Sum total investment 602,944 euros. Radiolocation stations. Aerology. Water balance stations. Currently, water balance stations are not functioning. Stations should be installed with the meteorological and agrometeorological stations. Necessary arrangements. 5 units of required equipment. To increase staff members to 2. Need to purchase. Sun radiation sensor first class. Unit price in euros 2,136. Sum total investment 12,600 euros. Snow sleep station post. Currently, snow sleep station is not functioning. Station is destined for snow sleep service with the special parameters. Necessary arrangements. Required equipment 3 units of snow sleep station and 7 units of snow sleep post. To increase staff members to 16. Need to purchase. Automatic station. Automatic snow sleep station. Temperature, humidity sensor, pressure sensor, precipitation sensor, wind sensor, snow depth measuring sensor, software to gather and display the information. Unit price in euros 35,400. Automatic post. Snow depth measurement sensor. Unit price in euros 1,440. Real-time weather sensor. Unit price in euros 10,480. Sum total investments 223,771 euros. Sea observation. Currently, sea observation has not been conducting. Sea observation station includes meteorological stations, sea water level measurement, water temperature sensor, wave height and intensity, salinity, water stream measurement in deep waters. Necessary arrangements. 2 units of required equipment. Need to purchase. Sea observation station. Unit price in euros 118,750. Sum total investment 280,250 euros. Ozonometric observation and ultraviolet irradiation. Basic ozonometric observation has not been conducting. UV is not conducting. Necessary arrangements. 1 unit of required equipment of ozonometry. 1 unit of UV. To increase staff members to 2. Need to purchase ozonometric equipment, unit price in euros, 15,000 euros. AB ultraviolet irradiation measuring automatic station, unit price in euros, 21,850. Sum total investment, 42,553 euros. Actinometrical observation. Currently, actinometrical observation has not been conducting. Necessary arrangements. 7 units of required equipment. Training of 7 staff members. To increase staff members to 2. Need to purchase actinometrical equipment. Unit price in euros, 30,000. Sum total investment, 234,780 euros. Calibration laboratory. Necessary arrangements. Establishment of a meteorological laboratory with the corresponding standards and the building of the verification of the temperature and humidity. To increase staff members to 2. Need to purchase testing equipment for temperature sensor. Unit price in euros, 34,750. Testing equipment for mercury thermometers. Unit price in euros, 24,925. Testing equipment for humidity sensor. Unit price, 25,970 euros. Pressure camera. Unit price in euros, 44,280. Testing equipment for a precipitation sensor. Unit price in euros, 10,890. Trainings. Unit price in euros, 8,200 euros. Construction and equipment of building. Unit price in euros, 90,000. Supportive equipment. Unit price in euros, 35,000. Subtotal investment, 323,338 euros. Calibration laboratory. Additional costs emerged after the necessary arrangements are financed. Increasing of personnel, 72 staff members, annual salary, 322,656 euros. Current amount of staff members, 195. Additional traveling allowances per year, 343,817 euro. Water expenditure measurer, 29,045 euros. Snow cover planning, 4,150 euros. Glaciological observation, 4,150 euros. Evaluation of natural disasters, 2,100 euros. Installation of measurement equipment, calibration, repairing, 4,150 euros. Sum total investment, 11,894,037 euros. Overall, 12,260,262 euros. Improved conditions after investment. Full implementation of the aforementioned activities and increasing of the staff members to 72 will provide an opportunity to reach the required standards. Information users. Government of Georgia. Special Emergency Situations Management Center of Ministry of Internal Affairs. Ministry of Agriculture of Georgia. Ministry of Regional Development and Infrastructure of Georgia. Ministry of Energy of Georgia, Ministry of Labor, Health and Social Affairs of Georgia, Ministry of Economy and Sustainable Development of Georgia, Ministry of Culture and Monument Protection of Georgia, local self-government bodies, population, media, agencies eligible having share in co-financing, Ministry of Agriculture of Georgia, Ministry of Regional Development and Infrastructure of Georgia, Ministry of Energy of Georgia,